Automating email sorting with Gmail filters and labels.
Want a cleaner inbox? Learn how Gmail filters and labels can automatically sort, organize, and manage your email. This guide will show you step-by-step how to set up powerful rules that keep your inbox tidy and stress-free.
What are Gmail filters and labels?
Filters are rules that automatically manage incoming emails, like archiving messages or marking them important. Labels act like color-coded folders, letting you organize messages by topic, project, or sender. Use both together to streamline your email experience and never lose track of important messages.
Creating a filter, step by step.
To create a filter, open Gmail, click the gear icon, and choose See All Settings. Navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Then select Create a New Filter. Set criteria such as sender, subject, or keywords. This ensures only relevant emails are filtered, giving you full control.
Applying labels with filters.
After setting filter criteria, choose Actions for Gmail to perform automatically. Select Apply the Label and either pick an existing label or create a new one. You can also choose to archive or mark emails as read. Click Create Filter to activate your new sorting rule.
Tips for effective inbox organization.
Be strategic with your labels. Use clear names and colors for easy recognition. Consider filters for newsletters, work emails, or specific senders. Review your filters occasionally, adjusting them as your needs change. With the right setup, your inbox stays organized. No manual sorting required.